In a narration found in Sunan ibn Majah, number 1601, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised that the one who consoles a grief-stricken person will be clothed with a garment of honor on Judgment Day. As facing difficulties are guaranteed for all, this is an extremely simple way of obtaining a great reward which does not require much time, energy or money. This includes striving to aid the family facing a difficulty according to one's means, such as emotional, financial and physical support. A Muslim must gently encourage those facing difficulties to remain patient throughout the ordeal, and remind them of the verses of the Holy Quran and narrations of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, which discuss the importance and great reward of being patient. They should speak positively by reminding them that things only occur for a good reason, even if people fail to understand the wisdom behind them. In reality, a person does not need to be a scholar to perform this righteous deed, as in most cases a few kind words of support are enough to make someone facing difficulties feel better. And in some cases just physically being there is enough to provide them with the feeling of support, even if no words are spoken. This attitude is easily adopted when one simply treats others how they desire to be treated by people. Finally, it is important Muslims correct their intention when performing this righteous deed, meaning, do it for the sake of Allah, the Exalted, and not do it in order to show off to others, such as their relatives, nor do it out of fear of being criticized by others if they fail to do it. Those who act for the sake of others will be told on Judgment Day to gain their reward from those they acted for, which will not be possible. This has been warned in a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 3154. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.